Hey, what's up everyone? Today we are going to be opening one Fusion Enforcers pack and one Battles of Legend Lights Revenge pack. Now let's get into it. First off, we'll open the Fusion Enforcers pack. Now let's get into it. First off, we have a Battle Fusion, Kingdoms of Swamp, Paradox Fusion, Fusion Reserve, and then Frightfur Tiger. Now onto the Battle of Legends pack. Sorry about that. Now let's get into opening this pack. We have number 62 Galaxy Eyes Prime Photon Dragon, Sadeon the Time Lord, Gaia Dragon the Thunder Charger, Bujinti Tsukiyomi, and then Destiny Hero Dystopia. Now a recap of the cards we got. Here's the recap. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.